Ever wondered how to transform your digital creation into a steady stream of income? Whether you are a designer, writer, or educator, Payhip offers a seamless platform to sell your digital products and reach a global audience. Imagine earning money while you sleep with your ebooks, courses, and digital art flying off the virtual shelves. Join me as we dive into the step-by-step process of setting up your Payhip store, creating irresistible products, and implementing marketing strategies that convert. Get ready to unleash your potential and watch your digital empire grow. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into payhub.com. As you can see, this is the homepage if you want to sign up. So this is the homepage. We have here sell digital downloads, courses, coaching, and more from one simple platform. We make it easy for you to sell anything online anywhere. All you have to do to sign up is write the email here and you get started. If you have an account, all you have to do is click over login and find your account if you already did one. Here we have features about, so we have digital downloads, online courses, coaching, membership, physical products, grow. We have store builder, payments, VAT and taxes, marketing tools, email marketing. We have teams, customers, blog, marketplace, and also pricing. About pricing, you have get started now. No credit card required. Sign up for free. We have here free forever. First, we have features, then we have limited products, and finally we have limited revenue. So right now, all I have to do is write your email here address. So if you want to sign up, all I have to do is write your first name, last name, your email address, choose password also, and you get your confirmation and you create an account. If you already have an account, all you have to do is write your email here, and you write your password and you log in. This is account. As you can see here, we have dashboard, products, store, analytics, marketing, customers. Welcome to Payhip. You have taken the first step to sharing your work with the world. Take a few more things off your to-do list and keep up the momentum. First, all you have to do is sign up and you have completed the first of your store setup. Then we have the second one is add your first product and setup, checkout, and finally customer store design. So it's important to get started. Those four steps, the one is already did, are done. So right now let's now other think about products and other options. We have here add products, add your first product as you can see here. Then we have here store also. Control all aspects of your store's look and feel by using the powerful store builder. Our blog post, comments, all you have to do is click over here, launch your store to get started. Then we have here analytics. As you can see, we have here analytics for all products. You can select the products you want and the join also. So it's timing. Then we have here marketing. We have here run sale, affiliate, mailing lists, cross-selling, upgrade, and more referrals. Then we have customers. As you can see, have here how much subscribers, email updates, sales report, how much followers. Then finally we have notification and we have account if you're on settings, store builder, video library, export marketplace, logout, and use Payhip as creator mode, customer mode. So let's come back to the store here. As you can see, you have control all aspects of your store's look and feel by using the powerful store builder. All you have to do right now is click over here, launch your store to add your first object. So then we have you put add your first product before customizing your store design. All you have to do is add first product here, click over add first products. We have here set of product type. We have here our first type. We have digital products, so ebook, software, and other files. We have course, we have membership, physical product, coaching service, and bundle. So let's choose the first one, digital product. As you can see, all you have to do right now is add new digital products, upload first product file, product type. As you can see, select the price. As you can see, then apply a product image. So to apply your image of your product, all you have to do is dive into canva.com. So this is the homepage. I already have an account, so right now all I have to do is click over customers price and click over 1920. So all you have to do is click over research here and select your project as you can see. So choose one of those things. As you can see, here we have, you can delete this one and write yours. You can modify a lot of things. You can delete this one. You can delete title and add title. You can add other page, notes, duration, timer, page 1 of 1, and 28 here for zoom. You can zoom more as you can see. Also here we have, well, create view, have here present screen and other things. So you can modify a lot of things. Finally, if you're done, all you have to do is share with someone and add in the desktop here. You can upload it. All you have to do is click over here. Then we have here description, add a description for your products. So all you have to do is click over ChatGPT and write a brief description as you can see. Here we have descriptions. So all I have is copy this description and paste it here. Here we have visibility. Should your store visitors be able to see this product? First one is right, everyone can see this product, so you select the first one, then you click over add product. So let's come back to the top, to the home page. Then if you add your first product and you modify it to all these steps, then let's click over setup checkout. So the second one we have here, you can choose your PayPal account. Please log in securely with PayPal below to start accepting payments. We have also Stripe account. You get started with Stripe payments. Click the button below and you select your default currency, then enter statements, descriptions, and finally save settings. Unfortunately, we have just those two options. We don't have any other options, so all you have to do is have a PayPal or a Stripe. Finally, we have customer store design. So all you have to do right now is customer design and modify the design you want and select your own design. So you have learned how easy it is to create and sell digital products on Payhip, from setting up your store to marketing your creations effectively. Now it's time to take action and turn your passion into a profitable businesses. With the tools and strategies you've gained, you can confidently navigate the world of digital sales and build a sustainable income stream. Don't wait, your journey on Payhip today and watch your dreams of digital success become a reality. Your creative empire awaits. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.